Thank you for tuning in. In today's recipe, we are making vegetable stew. Good thing about the recipe, it is continental dish, and this is most delicious way, the most yummy way to make a vegetable stew, and you will love it. This is fresh tomatoes, onions, and salt. I love to cook my fresh tomatoes before frying them. And this is my protein, my meat. I already season with onions, curry powder, thyme. I'm just adding water. In a neat pan, add in your vegetable oil, your onions. Allow this to fry for some time. I'll go in with curry powder, my beef. I love to fry my beef like this, especially when I'm using my beef. I love to fry them like this. Just try this, you will love it. This is my already cooked fresh tomatoes. Just give that a stir and allow it to. I'm adding my tin tomatoes and give that a stir and allow to for some time. What we basically do on this channel is to teach you how to make continental dish, African dish, how to bake and cosmetology. I'm adding my spice, mix. I'm adding my curry leaf, my fresh curry leaf. Just give this a stir and allow to fry for some time. I'm going in with my ginger. Just give that a stir and allow to fry for some time. I'm turning it inside a bigger bowl because I just realized that my stew is too much. My seasoning cube. I've already added my stock. Cover and allow to cook for some time. I'm adding my crayfish. This crayfish take your stew to another level. So many people don't use crayfish, but please try and using crayfish. I'm adding my vegetables, carrots, green beans, green pepper. Add them together and mix them together. I don't like to overcook my vegetables. I just cook this for about 3 seconds, and this is it. Our vegetable stew is ready. Thank you for watching with us. God bless you.